Euclid, made by Davidova Tatiana, first-year master's student of Faculty of Foreign Languages of Tashkent State Pedagogical University, named after Nizami. Euclid was an ancient Greek mathematician active as a geometer and logician. Considered the father of geometry, he is chiefly known for the Elements treatise, which established the foundations of geometry that largely dominated the fields until early 19th century. Euclid is generally considered among the greatest mathematicians of antiquity and one of the most influential in the history of mathematics. Euclid's works. Euclid is best known for his 13-book treatise, The Elements, considered his magnum opus. Much of its content originates from earlier mathematicians including Eudoxus, Hippocrates of Chios, Theos, and Theaetetus, while other theorems are mentioned by Plato and Aristotle. It is difficult to differentiate the work of Euclid from one of his predecessors, especially because the Elements essentially superseded much earlier and now lost Greek mathematics. In addition to the Elements, at least 5 works of Euclid have survived to the present day. They follow the same logical structure as Elements, with definitions and proved propositions. Catoptrics concerns the mathematical theory of mirrors, particularly the images formed in plane and spherical concave mirrors, though the attribution is sometimes questioned. The Data is a somewhat short text which deals with the nature and implications of given information in geometrical problems. On Divisions survives only partially in Arabic translation and concerns the division of geometrical figures into 2 or more equal parts or into parts in given ratios. It includes 36 propositions and is similar to Apollonius' conics. The Optics is the earliest surviving Greek treatise on perspective. It includes an introductory discussion of geometrical optics and basic rules of perspective. The Phenomena is a treatise on spherical astronomy, survives in Greek. It is similar to On the Moving Sphere by Autolycus of Pitane, who flourished around 310 BC. Euclid's postulates and common notions. Let the following be postulated. To draw a straight line from one point to any point. To produce a finite straight line continuously in a straight line. To describe a circle with any center and distance. That all right angles are equal to one another. That if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side less, than two right angles, the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which are the angles less than the two right angles. Things which are equal to the same thing are also equal to one another. If equals be added to equals, the wholes are equal. If equals be subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Things which coincide with one another to equal to one another. The whole is greater than the part.